Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be cooking an easy, excellent green bean broccoli casserole side dish in white sauce topped with panko breadcrumbs and cheese. This recipe is easily doubled or triple if you need a large amount. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients we require to make this side dish. First, let's prep the veggies. Trim ends of green beans and cut in half. Trim broccoli end and cut into 1-inch pieces. Chop 2 sprigs of rosemary leaves. Chop spring onion and set aside. Let's blanch the veggies. In a large pot, bring water to a boil. Add the green beans and boil for about 2 minutes, not more than that. Into the same water, add the broccoli, boil for 2 minutes, remove them from the water and set aside. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet. Set over medium-high heat and add the sliced onions. Fry until the onions begins to soft. This will take around 3 minutes. Now let's make white sauce. Into the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter with 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Cook for a minute or 2. Then gradually add 1.5 cups of cold milk and keep stirring continuously until you get a smooth texture. The sauce has become smooth and thick. Now I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary. In this stage, you can alter some of the ingredients. For example, if you're a fan of garlic, go ahead and add some garlic. The same applies to any spices. This is 3/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs. If it's not available, use the regular breadcrumbs. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Mix well and set aside. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Into a baking tray, spread half of the caramelized onion evenly. Now add blanched beans and broccoli, all of it. Now spread white sauce all over evenly. Now layer the leftover onions. Grate some cheese of your choice. I'm using cheddar cheese. Now top with breadcrumbs. Press a little and spread all over. Add some chopped spring onions. Finally, add some cheddar cheese and some parmesan. Now this will go to the oven, bake for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. There you have it, green bean broccoli casserole. Serve it immediately. It's a delicious and easy side dish for any occasion. Try this delightful recipe and drop your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. For more such recipes, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking!